Yo, what is up, everybody? How are you all doing today? Today's Friday, June the 7th, and I'm so excited because it seems like Bitcoin has a tremendous amount of momentum today. And because of that, there's a really good chance that we might even break to the upside. If Bitcoin smashes this $72,000 region, you guys are going to see it skyrocket to the upside, and we're gonna have a huge rally for every single coin's gonna chase it as well. So welcome everybody. My name is Philicon. For those that don't know me, I've been in the crypto space for unfortunately 9 years now, and I'm hoping that this is my very last one that I will be in, because finally my portfolio is large enough to the point where just one more bull market and I will retire. I will never day trade ever again in my life, and all that I'm going to focus on is long-term investing. I already have 7 pets right now. My wife and I plan to buy another house, and then we're going to have a farm, and we're going to have like 50 pets and an animal sanctuary. Going to get like all the things that Russians get, like panthers and bears and polar bears and sharks and a bunch of different farms like that. But that is my goal though, to retire this year, and this year is going to be a phenomenal year. So every day that I start the day, I always turn on my advanced volatility scanner. And the reason I do that is because I always check to see what's volatile, what's hot. It's going to bring the attention of every single coin to me right away. And as a day trader or even a swing trader, you need to know exactly what coin is volatile. And how are you going to do that? You're going to do that with my advanced volatility scanner. And what this does is it scans 4 different columns, 4 different scans for each coin. And it scans this right here. So it scans for anything that moves over 5% in 1 hour, 10% in 2 hours, 15% in 4 hours, or 20% in 4 hours. So if it moves 5% in 1 hour, then the first column right here lights up green. So you can see anything that moves 5% in 1 hour. So today you're going to see Cody has moved 6.42% thus far, and also High has moved both in the short term and also in the longer term, 31% over 48 hours. So as soon as you see a coin pop up on the screen using this indicator of mine, you're never going to miss another coin that's moving. Because right now, anytime a coin moves, you have to physically be looking at that coin to notice that it's even moving, for it to be brought to your attention. So the number one goal of any day trader or even swing trader is to have the attention of that coin be brought to you. And that's the problem that I solved, so you can gravitate and acknowledge and identify and see which coins are moving instantly. So right now, because you see that coin moving, you see High and Cody, specifically Cody, what you're going to do is you're going to go check out what High is doing, and then you're going to see that High is moved quite significantly today. Actually, in the past little bit, since even June the 4th, you see it's moved 43%. But specifically in the past 48 hours, this coin here has moved 31.8%. So this should be brought to your attention. Now that you know it's moving, you get to make that awesome decision of what am I going to do next with it? Am I going to long it? Am I going to wait for a dip to long it? Am I going to trade the continuation pattern? Is there a pattern I can recognize? Do I short it because it's overextended? So you have a lot of different options, but the first thing is it needs to be brought to your attention. If you guys are interested in this indicator of mine, check out my link below over here, and you're going to see that it's the advanced volatility scanner. It goes for $150, and what you get is access for life to it. It's a lifetime indicator, and it also comes with a tutorial in my Discord group for exactly how to run it. So once you purchase it, you're going to get to the scanner tutorial landing page, and I have literally a 1 hour tutorial on how you can use it. Okay, so make sure you guys check that out. I will see you in the indicator. It's something that's going to help you find more trades than anything out on the market right now. And don't forget about my signals group, my AI signals group. It's $125. You get access to that for life. So I created a signals tutorial page for you to use it. It's good for both swing traders and the day traders as well. So for swing traders, you'll be using the 4 hour alerts over here. Anytime it goes up, You're gonna go to that coin, you're gonna investigate it, and then you're gonna follow my rules and my tutorials to enter or exit the trade and also manage your risk. There's also a 15-minute time frame as well. And this time frame here, it allows you to trade it on a shorter time frame for day traders. Not every single signal is guaranteed to be a win, of course, but as you follow these rules of mine to manage your risk with specific entry and exit strategies, you will increase the chances of being successful in this Discord group. So make sure you guys check that out. Can you just imagine in a bull market what's going to happen? How crazy this is going to be. This is going to be having so many different alerts pop up. That's going to bring it to your attention so you'll know exactly which ones to trade. Combined with the signals group of mine, it's pretty powerful. So if you're looking for both of those combined, DM me and I'll give you an awesome deal. So let's take a look at the market right now. Whenever I do a Bitcoin technical analysis, I always look at it from the perspective of the BTC index. This way it amalgamates all of the exchanges and gives you a broad picture of everything going on. So you can see here that Bitcoin has only 1 day left to close on the 4-day chart. So you see that on the 4-day, it's got 1 day, 11 hours left. So not today, but tomorrow. The end of Saturday's daily close will close the 4-day candle. And the significant thing for that is it's going to rally to the upside, causing a 4-day MACD crossover to occur. And then the histogram will also pop up to the positive side. Now, if this ends up occurring, it's going to be incredibly bullish for Bitcoin, and there could be a massive potential move to the upside. Just a few days ago, spot ETFs by institutions, they purchased over $1 billion. It was the largest inflow of spot ETF Bitcoin purchases in the history of spot ETFs for Bitcoin. So because of that, that's also great news that institutions are racking up on it. So many different banks are also disclosing their positions for the spot ETF. So many institutions are racking it up. They're certainly recommending it to their investors as well. And with the federal election looming around the corner, and most likely, let's assume that the interest rates will lower and the money printer turns back on for the federal election, that Bitcoin is going to skyrocket to the upside. When Bitcoin does break this $72,000 resistance, we are going to see a major rally to the upside in such a parabolic way that you guys are going to be like, whoa, I should have got in a lot earlier. So now is the time to really be curious about, should I buy? Should I not buy? I'm not trying to give you financial advice, but just, I think 3 days ago, I bought $75,000 of Tau. I believe that many coins in my portfolio are reaching a bottom. If you take a look at a coin like Tau, it has dropped significantly already, like 60%. If you take a look at a coin like Solana, it has formed a major support trend line for a long period of time now. So it marks a very good opportunity to be interested in DCA as well. So here's a chart of Solana moving to the upside like this. This is a very reliable chart in my opinion. I think that they held a very strong trend line. And then you take a look at a coin like Polkadot, which is one of my favorites still. It made a huge support trend line on the bottom, and it looks like a possible rally is coming up soon. And also Near Protocol, it made a very similar type of trend line to Solana, which looks like there's a rally to the upside that's very imminent as well. Now, Bitcoin could drop. Like, don't get me wrong, there's still possible for BTC to drop to the downside. But based off of the momentum and what we're seeing thus far, there's more of a likelihood to rally to the upside than to a downside. Another major rally that we see is the entire market cap of crypto. So since we reached the bottom on April the 24th, we ended up rallying over 28%. And now we're getting very close to the $3 trillion all-time high that we reached back in 2021's bull market. So with that looming around the corner as well, it's just a matter of time until the crypto market cap gets broken and Bitcoin smashes $72,000. So for those that have been in the game for a long time, you know what's up. And now is the time to be very serious about Bitcoin because it presents an incredible opportunity to change your life. and an immense amount of wealth can be made. And all that you have to do is stay informed with the market, make sure that you're dollar cost averaging, diversifying your portfolio, heavily diversifying it. Do not put all of your coins into one basket. No, you cannot put your eggs into one basket, sir, because then you'd be relying only on one specific coin to move, and it's not possible for you to have any safeguards in case that coin doesn't move. You can't invest everything in coins like meme coins only, or really low ranked coin market cap coins. You got to make sure you focus on a heavy diversification across many different sectors, which safeguards you from the failure of one specific coin. That's why I'm heavily invested in multiple different sectors, like DeFi, like layer one, like layer two, like gaming, like AI, like currency coins, right? So I've also diversified about 50% between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then the other 50%, I have it split up between different categories. So 10 minutes is now up, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this update. If you like my content, hit the like and the subscribe button, and make sure to check out below, guys, for the advanced volatility scanner. That's going to change the way that you catch trades, and especially the alerts channel as well. I'll see you next time for a 10-minute daily update, and enjoy the weekend. Signing off from Istanbul. Bye now.